Hey, this is Joe from Webb's Online, and the EasyPro ECO-Series Waterfall Diffuser is built for versatility, and it's not just for PVC pipe installs. You could also use kink-free tubing. While it comes ready for a standard 2-inch PVC connection, you can easily adapt for kink-free tubing. Just take this fitting, put it aside, pick up a male pipe thread to barb fitting. Here we're going to use a 2-inch, same with this pipe size. Simply wrap your fitting with some Teflon tape, thread it into the 2-inch port, take your kink-free tubing, push it over the barb, hose clamp it for a watertight fit. Now this setup is perfect for people who prefer not to glue piping. They want more of a flexible tubing, making installation faster and easier, especially in tight spaces or curved layouts. So whether you're using a rigid PVC or a flexible kink-free tubing, the ECO-Series diffuser is ready for any installation style.